Okay, good morning and welcome to Tomato Industries 2018 Adventures. So we're out here at a place called Wilson's Creek up near Mullumbimby, and we have a beat up Amarok to do. It's just an interior detail. So as you can see, it's just all about sand and stuff. So it's a work vehicle plus a family vehicle. The car goes down to the beach a lot and gathers all the sand, of course. So there'll be just some dusting and vacuuming and wiping down, some spot cleaning on the seats, I could say, a little bit of cleaning. So we're leaving all this stuff in, so this is the sort of things it's good to ask the owner, leaving that in, but he wants this little section cleaned here. And you can see on some of these, the fabric on the doors, there's some stains also, so they need to come out. It's one of my regular vehicles, this one, so I know it pretty well. And you can see in the back here it's pretty dark, but it's just, you know, just a lot of sand really. So yes, it's just the interior. It shouldn't be too difficult at all. There won't be any dressings or anything put on as it being a work vehicle. So once again, all this sort of stuff. This is kids in the back. So, and I noticed there were a few stains on the seats. I think over here somewhere. So these are staying on, the seat covers. Makes my job easier again. And we have dog hair representing. And also a bit of stuff going on under there. The elbow, oils off the skin, that sort of stuff. I've given him a quote. He's happy with the quote, so I'll just see. I might be able to get a little bit of capo pearl up on the dash. We'll just wait and see how we go with this one. No promises. This being the dirtiest side. There we got some stuff we need to get out, and yes, fair shed down in here. Alright, so once again, all this stuff stays, but we'll be cleaning this little piece here. Alright, so welcome back to the old finished product, and we'll have a quick look. I'm going to make this quick because it's detailing in the Australian sun is not much fun, I can just tell you that. So all these upholstery on the door was all given a very good sudsy clean using my upholstery cleaning product, which is fabric safe, and then I used my vacuum using the crevice tool, sucked all the moisture out, then I did the rest of the door. So it's been given a good wipe down. Next we moved on to the dash, which basically isn't too bad. It just got tons of sand and dust on it, so basically this just needed a bit of a vacuum and a wipe down. Other than that, it's good to go. These work vehicles, I do a lot of them. I don't use dressings, I just clean them. It's cheaper for the customer, it's quicker for me, and you know they're going to get wrecked anyway, so there's no use to make them look pretty. There we go there. So all the mats came out and we're giving it a quick scrub. Nothing stupendous because he's going to get in with his dirty boots tomorrow and just wreck it all. So all this seat covers, I got all the stains out of them, cleaned up all this here and the tread there. Moving to the back where there was quite a bit of stainage going on, but once again cleaned up all of the mats and the fabric of the seat cover. It was quite stained. The kids are in the back here, but now it's all good to go. All these areas got down there, and there's this thing. This thing here, this down. So all this has been cleaned also, no matter which way you look at it. And the B pillar there, if you can imagine just there, it's all done. Back window, all done. Headrest, all done. Headrest, all done. Once again, fabric, given a very good sudsing and scrubbing, and then all the moisture taken out with the vacuum. Once again, also, customer said, leave this here. clean this area here, which I've done. So that's all done. Moving on. See, the thing is with these guys in their work vehicles, they don't want, you know, really well cleaned and detailed cars. They just want you to get in there, have a quick crack and get the hell out. You know, they want to be spending a lot of money on this. They've got better things to spend their money on. So you don't have to make these things perfect. You just get in there. This has taken me around a couple of hours, I'd estimate, to scrub all the seat covers and scrub all the interior, do all the windows and all the trim on the interior. And you know, there was a lot of staining on the seat covers and that, so I did have to sort of clean every single bit of it. But as I said, with all the doors, he was more than happy for me to leave all this crap in there and just do around it. So, you know, once again, that fabric there, it's just got some little bits of hair there, which I don't like. There, all this cleaned in here, and here, and here. So all that's done. And then this was the side where you could sort of see those stains and that, so they're all gotten out. As I said, there, all the headrests are done, all this is done. You know, pardon me if it's a little bit difficult to sort of see. This is a very glary courtyard, so I'm going for very, and I'm on concrete, so the glare's coming back up, and you know, parts of the car are in shade, as you can see, and parts of the car are in sun. Same with here. So the cameras, they do struggle a little bit with those sort of things. Alright, so that's it. That's done. On to the next one. And just one last look at the magnificent view we have up here. It's absolutely magnificent. Anyway, I'm back into the jungle. Catch you later.